Happening is the LDF is saying that Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi has not contributed anything towards the CMDRF from their MP fund. Would you like to react on that? They are saying MPs have not given any money to the Wayanad rehabilitation.
Well, we've done a lot for the rehabilitation of victims here on our own, and we've done it through our parties. And as you know, today also we're going to be inaugurating the housing, etc. And I think that we've done quite a lot.
But you have not given anything from the MP fund, they are saying.
Yeah, so we
To
don't.
the CMDRF.
Yeah, so we don't have to give it to them. We have to give it to the victims of the disaster,
Okay.
and that's what we are doing.
So will Congress complete the housing project in time? Because there has been a lot of delay on the part
Well,
of
I hope so. There was a lot of delay of paperwork and of the land issues and all that, and fortunately we've been able to resolve them. So hopefully we'll build and be able to do something good soon.
Even the left
Thank
government
you.
is saying that Congress, it's been 2 years and even now they're only laying the foundation stone and the
When
LDF
the
government is
township is
already
ready.
Well, I would say that